Hi, I am Pranav. I'll be presenting Ego Shots and Ego Vision live logging dataset and semantic fidelity metric to evaluate diversity in image captioning models. Image captioning has been a widely popular research field, and with the advancement of deep learning, it has been achieving rapid strides in the quality of predicted captions. However, are these models reliable for captioning real life images? The above results show the failure of an image captioning model for an image which could have been easily captioned by a human. The above limitation is mainly because of the limited object classes and settings on which these image captioning models are trained on. Most of the models in image captioning are generally trained on MS COCO or Pascal VOC dataset, which consists of captions for a limited number of object classes. In this work, we present EgoShots dataset which consists of 978 images collected using an autographer camera consisting of scenes ranging from both indoor to outdoor for a wide range of activities. Each image is captioned using a pre-trained image captioning model. Even though the number of images is far less than those found in other datasets, we propose to use EgoShots as a benchmark to evaluate the performance and robustness of image captioning models on real-life images, and a metric that allows to grade the quality of each caption without its corresponding labels. To caption the image, we use three different image captioning models. They are Show Attend and Tell, No Caps Novel Object Captioning at Scale, and Decouple Novel Object Captioner. YOLO 9000 is used to detect all the objects present in the image. Further, nouns are extracted from the predicted captions. These nouns and objects are used to calculate the semantic similarity value among these in our proposed semantic fidelity metric. We annotate the dataset choosing the caption having the highest SF value. To our knowledge, all the current image captioning metrics are used only in the presence of labels. However, in real life, it is very difficult to have a human annotated label for every image being captioned, limiting the uses of the current image captioning models for real life applications like supporting the blind or for autonomous driving, as there is no way to evaluate the quality of predicted captions. The Ceph metric is able to account for this by evaluating the captions without using any human annotated labels. The Ceph metric takes into consideration both cosine similarity as well as the count of objects in the caption. Cosine similarity is calculated between the average embedding for nouns and the objects detected. To further penalize the caption for the count of the objects not mentioned in the caption, the similarity is multiplied by the ratio of the number of nouns in the sentence to the number of objects predicted by the object detector. The ratio penalizes the caption for its object count. Caption will have SF close to 1, that is the maximum, when all the objects are present in the image are included in the predicted caption. This metric thus emphasizes the caption to be as descriptive as possible about the scene in the image. The performance of different image captioning models is compared using the SF metric. As reflected in the previous slide, object detectors plays the most important role in calculating SF. So we compare the SF values for different object detectors. Other detectors than YOLO 9000 are trained on 80 or 20 classes only. As a result, these detectors are not able to penalize the caption for their object count to the same extent as YOLO 9000 does. Hence, their mean SF is much larger than YOLO 9000. Hence, diverse object detectors make SF more reliable. If we compare the image captioning models, NoCaps and DNOX seem to have slightly better performance than SAT. This is because NoCaps and DNOC are trained to predict captions for 500 different object classes extra from the OpenImage dataset other than the 80 classes from MS COCO, while SAT is limited to convey information about only these 80 classes. Here are some examples showing the performance of the SF metric on some images from the EgoShots dataset. Results clearly reflect large SF values for diverse captions. which takes into account large number of objects in the caption similar to those found in the image. For future work, the semantic fidelity metric has still room for improvement. Our aim is to extend the work so that the metric takes into account other syntactic elements like verbs as well as grammatical correctness of the caption. Moreover, since SF heavily relies on pre-trained object detectors and as is well known for complex images, pre-trained models have a high chance of failure. So there is always a possibility of SF to add noise to the actual result. So we aim to further use better way of annotating objects which could match human level accuracy. Once the metric is complete, taking into consideration the above factors, we aim to improve captions for different applications such as live logging by blind, autonomous driving, or telepresence robotics. Thank you.